Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Caddy panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This used 69 plate van is an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a quick walk around the van. To the front of the van you will notice it's fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. The front and rear bumpers are black. It's also fitted with a nice chrome strip in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you of a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, it's fitted with 15-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel caps. Moving up, you will notice it's fitted with black mirror caps with black door handles. Moving away from the Caddy, you will notice to this side of the van, it's fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the sliding door so you can see the load area. To the back of the front seat, you will notice a bulkhead. This van is also fitted with wood ply-lining to the sides and also to the floor. To the back of the Caddy, you will notice rear doors with heated rear windows and a rear wash wipe. Across the black rear bumper, you'll notice rear parking sensors. The rear tail lights on this Caddy are standard. You'll also notice on the rear doors a Caddy badge and a VW emblem. I've now opened the rear doors to the back of the Caddy. As you notice, the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Also across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Also on the back doors, you'll notice that the bottom of the doors have been wood ply lined. This Caddy has been painted in candy white. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors come with some handy storage at the bottom of the doors. Across the dash you will notice some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the seat, you will notice that the bulkhead has a mesh top for extra vision whilst driving. It's also fitted with 2 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. This now ends my walk around the Caddy van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls in the cab and also the centre media system. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice 2 window controls. Moving up, here we have the mirror controls. Moving across, here we have the headlamp controls. Moving round to the steering wheel, here we have the media controls. On this side you will notice the volume controls. This van has covered 10,911 miles. Using the media controls on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If you go into the audio settings, you can also change radio stations to your favourite channel. Next we have the heat settings. Here's where you control the heat temperature. It also has a 4-speed fan motor. Here's where you change the direction of the heat. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the heated rear screen switch. Moving down to the media system, you will notice that this van is fitted with DAB radio. Next I'd like to show you the media system. As you can see, this system is fitted with a CD player. It's also fitted with a SD card reader, and it's also fitted with an AUX port. You can also add your phone using the Bluetooth technology. This fan is also fitted with a USB port and a 12-volt socket. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, it's also fitted with Park Pilot technology for your reverse parking sensors. Now for a quick recap over the video. This is a Volkswagen Caddy panel van. It's a Startline model. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine. It also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this due 69 plate, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries, including finance. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. And thank you for watching.